Hi there, I am Ahmad. As I promised all of you guys that I will make the advanced Photoshop tutorial really soon. So before starting advanced Photoshop tutorial series, I decided to make a special video for you guys. That is how I edit my photos. Whether it's for clients or it's a wedding portraits or my personal, process is almost the same on every picture. I mean different pictures need different editing style or tools, but the most of time is the same and I love it. So it's a step-by-step process, and today in this video I will choose a random portrait image and edit in the Photoshop with my signature style. Yeah, you can say that my signature style. So I'm very excited to make my first tutorial on the Photoshop like this. I hope you will definitely like it. So without wasting any further delay, let's into the magical world of the Photoshop. Step 1. Remove blemishes. To remove blemishes, firstly we have to see them properly. So the trick is here, I will create the black and white adjustment layer and decrease the value of yellow a little bit and of a red. And you will see the all blemishes pop up like this. Create a new layer by clicking on the new layer button. Take spot healing brush tool and remove all blemishes. Now things are going to be speeded up. Delete this adjustment layer. It will take lots of time, lots of work, but trust me, the result will really awesome. Step 2. Enhance eyes. Now it's time to enhance eyes. Take elliptical marker tool right over there and make selection. Hold the alter option to subtract the selection right there. Create a new layer by clicking on the new layer button. To fill up with the foreground color, press Alt backspace or Option plus Delete if you're using Mac. To add blur effect, go to the filter, blur and then Gaussian blur. Let's change the blend mode from normal to overlay. Let's take an eraser and erase off the extra areas. Hold the alter option to make duplicate. Adjust it like this. I'm going to make the group of those layers. You can always decrease the opacity if you want. Step number 3. Smooth the skin. Press Shift Ctrl Alt E to make the copy of the all layer into the one layer on the top of the all layers. Invert it by pressing Ctrl or Command I. Change the blend mode normal to vivid light. Go to the filter, other and high pass. And then hit OK. Go to the filter, blur and then Gaussian blur. Hit OK. To make negative mask, hold Alter option and then click on the mask icon. Now select the brush and paint all over just like this. You can always decrease the opacity if you want. So this is the before and this is the after. Step number 4. After smoothing the skin, add some shine to it. Make curvy adjustment layer by clicking on the adjustment layer icon and then choose curve. Change the blend mode normal to screen. Double click side of the layer to open up the layer style. and then take this dark side slider to remove the shadows just like this. Hold Alt or Option to make the transition smoother. Hit OK. Step number 5. Last one. Add saturation to make some crisp. Create Hue Saturation Adjustment Layer by clicking on the adjustment layer icon and then choose Hue Sat Layer. Convert the blend mode to the soft light. You can always decrease the opacity if you want. So this is the before and this is the after. And now the conclusion is here. Before ending this video, let me quick review of the whole tutorial. Step 1. Remove blemishes. Make sure you have to create the black and white adjustment layer and decrease the value of red and yellows to see them properly. Step 2. Enhance eyes. Select the eyes with the elliptical marquee tool. It will lot easier to select than the other tool like lasso tool. Step 3. Smooth the skin. Invert it into the layer. Then change the blend mode to normal to vivid light. Go to the filter, other, high pass and set the value around the 25. And go to the filter again, blur and then the Gaussian blur. Keep the value around 3.5 is fine for this example. Now make the negative mask. Just apply all over the skin. Add shine to the skin. With the curvy adjustment layer, change the blend mode to the screen. After working with it, you can always change the opacity if you need. Step number 5. Saturate the image properly at the end of the editing. It will be efficient doing it before. So this is the before and this is the after. This is how I edit my photos in the Photoshop. I hope you like this and visit our other social media platforms as well. Link in the description down below. I post there regularly. It will be really helpful for you, and make sure you hit the like button and see you on the other day with other awesome tutorials. So until then, film creative.